estate planning attorney. I assist a lot of individuals and families with wills, trusts, powers of attorney. I also help families who have special needs family members. They're planning for a loved one with usually somewhat limited resources, limited skills that those usually adult children have by the time the clients come to see me. And they need to do some special kinds of planning so that they can keep medical benefits, particularly Medicaid, SSI through Social Security and so forth. I also help people after a loved one has died through the process of probating their estates and administering their wills to make sure that what is supposed to happen under the terms of the will, or a trust if they have a trust, is what actually does happen. I had been with a partner for about 12 years, and he was a little bit older, decided he was going to retire from law and do some other things, and I decided it was a good time to move the office, but I didn't know where I wanted to go. So I first signed on to Office Suites Plus for the virtual office program to give me some time to look around, and then I discovered when I was here that I really liked the staff. I liked not having to deal with payroll and employee issues myself anymore, because that had taken a substantial amount of my time in my former law office. So I just signed on for an office, and I've been here ever since, and that's been 4 years ago now. If you actually sign on for an office with Office Suites Plus, you receive a fully furnished office. Telephone answering is part of the services, and in my case, sometimes I need witnesses or I'll need a notary. Those people are here who can do those things for you. I'm aware that there are also assistants with mailing services and things like that. So there's a wide variety of services that are here without your having to actually hire an employee that you yourself are responsible for. It all goes through Office Suites Plus. There are a couple of things for me, because a lot of my clients are elderly, and because I see people who aren't necessarily from Fayette County, from Lexington, it's very helpful to me to have an office that is not downtown. Even if I myself occasionally need to be downtown, it's much more convenient. It's easier to give directions when it's away from downtown. And the elderly in particular love the convenient parking. They don't have to worry about parking in a parking garage or finding a parking garage. They can just come. It's easy, ground floor, very convenient. In order to find me, the best thing to do is to call 859-224-0513, which is the number I use for my business. I also can, or people can also get information about me just by typing in my name, Karen L. Perch, attorney, onto the internet, and there will be a website. They can just click on that and they'll find information as well as directions for how to get here.
Okay.